Here. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of probably one of the most elusive smartphones in the market currently, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to be showing you what comes inside the box, what other accessories come alongside the phone, and basically what the whole phone is made up of. While we're at it, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon by the side to be notified about new videos whenever they drop. So without giving time, let's unbox this. Okay, first of all, take it out. You get an envelope which contains your SIM ejector here, as you can see. A bunch of documentation which contains both your user manual or user guide, and then you have a warranty card alongside it. You have your TPU case, which is part of it. I basically do not like using the case as well because it's transparent, and due to the fact that this is a colored device, I'm more or less interested in black or interested in gray devices. So this is what you get here. The device itself, alongside with the major features splashed across the screen: the 108 megapixel quad camera, the 120Hz AMOLED display with the 6.6-inch touch display, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and the 33 watts fast charge. You get a 33 watts fast charging brick here and a USB Type-C cable. So nothing else or nothing more comes inside the box except this. I'll simply arrange them again. Here you have that 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a center hole cut out for the selfie camera. By the side here you have the volume rockers alongside with the power button which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On top here you have your 3.5mm earphone jack, one of your stereo speakers, an IR blaster, as well as the noise cancellation mic. Left here you have nothing here except the SIM tray which houses 2 nano SIMs and an expansion slot for your memory card. Below here you have your another microphone, your USB Type-C port, as well as the second stereo speaker. Behind your device here you are greeted with this fine grey matte finish. You have your 108 megapixel camera here in a protruding bulb on the right here, and it's actually very protruding. And below that you have nothing else. I have to take this out. So basically this is how the device pans out. So tell me what you think about this device in the comment section below. I will be really happy to hear what you think. Meanwhile, hold on to your seats. Well, the full review of this device will be coming in very soon. I want this opportunity to say happy birthday to Easy Boy, one of the most talented YouTubers I've met in a long time. I want this opportunity to say a big happy birthday to him, and I also want to appreciate Mazi, Chima, Amadi for making this video possible. Cheers, have a wonderful day.